it posted tonight.
Why?
Because I ain't gonna be able to have time. It's already fucking 3, almost.
Get it posted.
You're right.
Post it while I break this shit down.
Holy Christ! I can actually see I can see the wood grain on Carl right now. See that?
Oh, I didn't realize you were recording.
I am recording. What?
Hey, that's his.
Dude, what's that?
That's his dental. His water pick is what that is. Remember, we've seen him use that now several times. It spins and vibrates, and it has laser beams and stuff.
Looks different.
You gotta hit me with those laser beams. I should have said that for our major laser video. Where was that?
That was our last video we did.
Oh, damn.
Kiss the Rain.
Purple rain, purple rain. If anybody is a fan of Prince, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Anyway, we're gonna do this guitar cover of Kiss the Rain. Just came out, so it popped up on my phone while I was watching. It seems to be happening a lot on Saturday nights. So.
Oh, is it? I thought today was, I don't know what day it is. I work 50 hours again, so.
You
could lie to me and tell me it was Wednesday, and I would believe you.
I'm gonna jump on this. Do the new one. Get it over with, right?
Kiss the Rain. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a guess and say that maybe there was no vocals for the original, and it just has that kind of a title where it's gonna be a purely instrumental. So we'll have to guess by how he's playing it to see if he's playing a piano part or if he's playing the vocals or what.
Okay.
Be interesting.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Loud.
Here it comes.
Wow.
I'm just gonna pause it here. He was playing that same melody that he's doing now with that thing and picking at the same time. Is this guy getting better every time we watch him?
It's getting really creative.
He's getting more coordinated because last time he was using that spinny thing, he was just using that. He wasn't picking anything. Now he's holding on to it and picking. He's got to have like 6 quadrants to his brain, I think, and each one of them controls different parts, and he's able to keep them separated. Like that.
If you close your eyes, you wouldn't never guess that this was all on one instrument. You'd be like, okay, there's a violin in there, and it's so cool. This is really good, really good.
Okay, well, let's finish this one up without pausing it because I just want to enjoy this now.
hold on. I have a theory.
Okay.
I think it's a different vocal now. Someone
That's
with
what
a deeper
different
voice.
singer came in.
Because you see how
there was definitely a tone like change there.
I'm
There was a
wondering if
pitch.
someone else singing it and it's like a guy's voice now. Maybe.
That was the most extensive use of harmonics that I've seen him do with all the
Yeah.
and then hitting them, and then not only hitting the harmonics and then going to the chord that matches that and playing that like right after. Wow. I say it every time, but I think that this is probably one of his better, like really like this is up there as far as his interpretive covers.
That was one of my
really
favorites. That was one of my favorites. It was almost kind of like that's something you could play really soft for like the kids, like for them to go to sleep and like.
Oh geez, yeah. Oh, hell yeah! I would definitely listen to that. Like I can almost feel the rain. I can feel like the humidity and like it's just soothing. It puts you in that mode. It puts you in that place too. Whatever they're singing about that they're describing. Very good. Hey, somebody was talking about how he had his cigarette up there on Carl's neck to prove that it was all one shot.
And I just noticed that he has one there and he has one in that video. I don't know what video.
Was that the?
There's the video where he wasn't playing Carl.
Yeah, I remember that one.
Actually, we didn't do that one.
Oh no.
Wally Inc.
I don't know.
I didn't do that one.
But the real question is, who would argue that he wasn't playing it all in one take? Somebody would have to be an absolute master of editing, because you would notice, even if one finger were to change positions.
Yeah, it's always been one take.
Yeah, you would notice that right away if something was different. So I don't know who was trying to make that claim. That's a pretty piss weak claim, if you ask me.
Yeah,
grasping at straws there. Somebody was just jealous. I don't know.
One of these days, I'm gonna go back through all the reactions we did of him, and I'm just gonna kind of try to pick my favorite one out.
This is a good one. That mellowed me out. That's it. I'm done for the night. Everybody, let's all just lay down and go to sleep together. I'm
not gonna sleep with you.
Come on, I was in the military. Everybody, sometimes it gets cold at night,
It's not cold here. Sorry, man. I know you're trying to get me to go to bed with you, but it's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
All right.
No, seriously though, that was great.
That was really
glad
good.
I got to do it right away. So maybe I'll get it posted tonight or soon. All right, guys. See ya. I'll grab me.